Welcome to my channel, everyone. So this makeup look is going to be the easiest makeup look by far of my Halloween series. It's very simple. This is if like you have a last minute costume party and you need something. I also left this area open just in case you need to put a mask. You can obviously make the tears shorter. And I didn't put any gems or anything around the lip because I wanted to keep it very simple so that it is easy just to slip on a mask and it still is like a look, you know? Like, looks good. So yeah, this is super duper simple, and if you want to learn how I got it, then please keep watching. Alrighty guys, so this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And like I said, this is honestly probably the simplest I can't speak, simplest Halloween makeup look ever you can ever come across. I think anyone can do this. I didn't add any lashes, I didn't do anything crazy. I just had these self-adhesive little stones, and you can use crystals, you can use whatever. I just want to use pearls to match this little ear cup thing, which by the way is from Amazon. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video, which will be more intense.